Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use Telegram without sharing your phone number. Friends, if you ask someone to contact you but you don't want to share your mobile number with them, then you simply need to share Telegram user ID with them. So to know your Telegram user ID, you need to click on these three lines. Now here you need to click on settings. Now in settings, after mobile number, you will find username. If you have not created a username, then simply create a username. In my case, I have already created a username and my username is Ankit501. So if I want others to contact me, then I can share my username with them instead of mobile number. And if you need to search anyone with the Telegram username, then you simply need to go to the main Telegram window. Now here you need to press on this search icon. Now here you need to enter the username of the person. In bottom you will find results. So friends, like this you can very easily use Telegram without sharing your phone number. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.